today we're talking about the 5 senses and how they help you show rather than tell. So this tip is an extension of day 18's overview of show, don't tell. We're breaking it down into those actual 5 senses. First, I'm Melissa Bourbon, writing instructor and coach, cover art designer. Check out my covers at writersparkacademy.com. I'm a podcaster and I'm a best-selling author. I am here with tips all through November to help you stay the course during NaNoWriMo, and you are in the last week, so congratulations on that. If you haven't checked out WriterSpark's courses, especially Ready, Set, Write, remember it's 40% off until November 30th in 2023. It goes back to full price at $11.59 on November 30th. I hope you will check it out. You deserve to invest in yourself and your writing, and this course has it all. Everything you need to take your project from NaNoWriMo or start on something new and go all the way through. It's worth the investment, and especially at 40% off. All right, here we go with sensory details. Using sensory details means you are inviting your readers to experience your story with all 5 of their senses. Metaphors, similes, and analogies are your best friends when it comes to this really descriptive writing. Here's a little bit about each of the 5 senses. First, sight. As I mentioned on day 18, being a writer is like being an artist, only your medium is words. You can go much deeper than simply describing what characters see, though. Let your characters, and thereby your readers, witness the crimson hues of a sunset bleeding into the horizon, the dance of shadows in a forgotten alley, or the sparkle of mischief in a character's eyes. I'm going to use a coffee pot or coffee as an example all the way through. What do you see, and how can you describe coffee? The steady stream of amber liquid filled the mug, steam rippling up, tempting me. Your readers should not be told. They need to see what it is you want them to see. And I can visualize that. All right, with hearing, words have rhythms. Let your readers hear the hustle and bustle of a busy market, the rhythmic tap, tap, tap of rain on a tin roof, or the hushed whisper of secrets in a moonlit garden. The soundscape you create in your writing becomes like a heartbeat in your narrative. Close your eyes and imagine sounds and how you can write them and describe them in ways that somebody can hear with their eyes. How does the coffee maker sound first thing in the morning when it's brewing its first pot and you're getting ready to have that first sip? The coffee maker came to life, the low rumble of the motor heating the water, a prelude to my first cup of the day. So I've used sound to describe that, that sound that every coffee maker makes. Next is touch. Infuse your writing with textures, whether it's the coarse touch of sandpaper against calloused hands, the soft caress of a summer breeze, or the sticky warmth of spilled coffee on a manuscript. Let your readers feel the world that you have created. I cradled the heavy white mug between my hands, the warmth of the freshly brewed coffee seeping through my skin. Next is taste. Taste is hard. Taste is maybe the hardest sense to write about. Writing should be a feast, though, not just for the eyes, but for the taste buds. Describe the sweet ecstasy of victory or the comforting warmth of Grandma's secret recipe. Try to offer your readers a way to taste what you're describing, or use taste to convey some other emotion. It's very effective in that respect. The bitter tang of heartbreak curdled the cream in my coffee, souring it on my tongue. How much better is that than just saying I was heartbroken? A lot. Finally, it's smell, the forgotten sense. Don't neglect the power of scent. Also very hard to describe. Whether it's the intoxicating aroma of freshly baked bread, the acrid stench of a city alley, or the nostalgic whiff of perfume, scents can really transport your readers across time and space. The roasted coffee beans layered with the damp mustiness of old books in the bookshop. Using sensory details can help you craft experiences for your readers. So let them live and breathe your words. That's it for today's quick tip. I will see you tomorrow for another one as you tackle the last week of NaNoWriMo. Again, congratulations. You are almost through your 30 days. I hope you're close to your 50,000 words. Remember, check out Ready, Set, Write for 40% off, and I will see you tomorrow. Happy writing.